Lupe, I see that someone has scraped a couple of his wheels on a curb. I'm going to guess this happened going through a fast food drive-in or maybe a bank drive-in. That's where most of my customers say it happens.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, well, Lupe, did you happen to look into how much it would cost to get these wheels fixed?
No, I haven't checked. I just.
Okay, hey, most people don't. They're going to be between $100 to $150. You got 3 wheels that are pretty marked up. But Lupe, I may have a good idea for you. Lupe, did you happen to purchase a cosmetic wheel repair policy when you bought this vehicle?
I don't think I did.
Okay. Well, I tell you what, later on, if you've got your paperwork from your previous purchase with you, I'll go through that and I will look to see if you've got cosmetic wheel repair. Most people don't buy it because most people don't even know what it is. But had you bought it, it would have fixed all 3 of these wheels for you. 0 cost to you. Would have increased the value of your trade rather significantly. You'll be glad to know the Motor Trend certified pre-owned vehicle you're looking at comes with cosmetic wheel repair, complimentary for the first 6 months. And if you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than 6 months, Lupe, make sure you check with one of our finance people. They'll let you know what it takes to extend that out to 2, 3, 4, even 5 years. Cool?
Okay.
See, once you get the hang of it, it's really easy.
I thought I was supposed to be the bill guy.
Well, I'm doing it first.
Well, no, I thought we got like rolls or something.
Well, no, I'm doing it, so I'm showing you how to do it. Oh, don't worry, Rye, you're going to get to be on camera in about 5 minutes. Okay?
You'll be famous, buddy. See, put you on YouTube.
Well, you're going on YouTube, but you're going on YouTube unlisted. Okay? So the public won't be able to see.